In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets, a simple task that can make your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional. Whether you're creating a presentation or just want a minimalistic view for better clarity, hiding those grid lines can make a big difference. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you need to open your Google Sheet. If you haven't already, head over to Google Sheets and either open an existing document or create a new one. It's as straightforward as logging into your Google account, navigating to the Google Sheets homepage, and selecting the file you want to work with from your list of documents. If the document you need is not listed, you can always search for it by title using the search bar at the top. Now that your sheet is open, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. One of these options is labeled View. Go ahead and click on that. The View menu is a handy tool for controlling what's visible in your spreadsheet, among other things. With it, you can choose what elements you want to see and hide, customizing your workspace to fit your needs. Once you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear, and you will notice an option labeled Show. Click on Show, and you'll be presented with further options detailing what can be shown or hidden in your sheet. This submenu is where you'll find all the miscellaneous display options that aren't located elsewhere. It's handy for tweaking several aspects of how your spreadsheet looks without changing the data itself. Now, look for grid lines in this submenu. You'll see that grid lines is probably checked by default. This check mark means that the grid lines are currently visible on your sheet. To make them disappear, simply click on grid lines. This option functions as a toggle. Clicking it will remove the checkmark, hiding all the lines that divide your cells from view. It's as simple as a single click. No need for complex settings or preferences. And just like that, your grid lines should vanish, leaving you with a neat and clear layout. Removing grid lines can simplify your spreadsheet when presenting data where the lines are unnecessary or distracting. Remember, you can always bring them back by following these same steps and toggling the grid lines option again if you find you need them back for reference or further analysis. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to clean up your Google Sheets by removing the grid lines. I hope you found this guide useful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.